In this video, you will learn how to create this stylish bar chart in Microsoft Excel. To generate this graph, I have used this data, and it is the data about the number of enrolled students during different months. Let's learn how to create this graph. I have already pasted the data from previous sheet. To generate this graph, you have to create two extra columns. One column contains fixed value and other contains remaining value. Firstly, we will put fixed value. I will use 100. You can change this value according to your data. And I will use autofill option for remaining cells. So in this column, all cells contain the fixed value. Now I will calculate the value of extra remaining. Put a equal sign. Select this one. Put minus sign and select this one and press enter. Now select this cell and drag plus sign for auto calculating the remaining values. To generate this graph, we will firstly generate stock bar graph. Select these two and this one by holding Control button. I will select it again. Now go to Insert tab and here you can select this one, Stocked column chart. Now move this graph in extra space. Press this positive sign, click on it and uncheck all these accessories. Chart title, grid lines and legends. Click on this bar, right click, go to Format Data Series and in gap width select 100%. Now go to Fill and Line option and make sure in border no line is selected and the color is fine. Now select other data series and in border no line and change the color according to other data series. I will select red one. Now I will close this. Go to Insert and in Shape select this one. Insert shape here. Rotate it by using this option. Rotate left. Select this figure, right click and in outline make sure you have selected no outline. Now select this shape again, copy this, select the data series which contain this fixed value and press Ctrl V to paste the shape. You can see here that this shape is inserted here and the shape of the bar is changed now. Now I will teach you how you can insert data label. Select this data series, go to this plus sign and check on data labels. You can see here that these are not data label which we want to insert here. These are contain fixed values which is 100. I want to insert these values, number of student. So firstly I will change their font size and color. I will choose white color, bold and 12. Now right click on them and format data labels. Select values from cells and uncheck these values. Currently it is not working, so I will firstly select these one. Click on OK and uncheck these values and okay, that's fine. Now in label position select inside base. Close this one. Now I want to insert the month. Select this data, the data series, and in plus sign select data labels. Follow similar steps as we do for this data series. Now right click, format data labels and values from cell. Select these cells, press OK, uncheck this value option and close this one. Now you can see here that the formatting is completed now, but we want to change this location. Again, right click, format data labels and select inside base, and that is our formatting is completed now. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.